Today share about how to prepare Terminalia leaves. When receive new leaves. Use hot water to wash Terminalia leaves. There are dust and bacteria on the leaves that picked from ground. Must be washed before use. Then soak it for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour dirty first soak directly. Use tap water for the second soak. Wait for 48 hours, that is after 2 days, you can take away the leaves. Be careful for the water temperature. If the leaves are outdoor and fish tank is indoor, you need to pay attention for same temperature. It is best to put both in the same place so that the temperature are the same. Finally, change half of the water each time and use a dropper to suck up the dirt at the bottom. That's it for today's sharing.